I like exercise dancing. Do you like dancing? Do you like that? How old are you, Sir Martin? You are not visiting. You are not visiting Philippines. I really do love to dance. Yeah. To lose your pot. I have belly, oh, Sir Martin. Big.
Ma'am Raquel?
Oh!
Ma'am, nag-iwan din si Ma'am Rona?
Oo.
540
Ilang
lang po.
parcel?
4. Nag-iwan ako noon. Nag-iwan ako noon.
Pinakamaliit.
Oo, tapos isang magkano?
40.
Walang pa lahat.
I'm 35 years young. Wow, you are young. Hello, Sam. Sir Martin, do you know how old I am? I wanna need it. I wanna take it. I wanna make it. I wanna love you. I wanna bang, bang, bang. Yeah, still love baby. Huh? Yes, my darling. I wanted to remind you that the upcoming country judge. Oh, what about your judge? Country judge inauguration ball that will be coming in January 2026. Evan Martin. In your country? Okay. I would honestly say you are 34 years young. Baga dong 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 da dong. Oh, thank you so much. Look at me, oh. No lipstick, no eyebrow, no eyeshadow, no powder here, no lipstick, and simple hair. That's me. Yeah. No 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 repair. Yeah, even glasses that put here. No, I like original. Originality is real. And also I have belly. Oh. See? Ingay ng aso.